In the past 4 months, I've trained hundreds of realtors across Nigeria, and what I basically focus on is teaching them exactly how they can make a lot of money automating their entire sales and marketing process as realtors. I've gone to Browdy Global, I've taught virtually, physically, I've recorded a couple of sales and marketing courses for realtors, I've recorded a course on realtors.school, so I have clear understanding of what it takes to get a realtor from the point of not having sales to the point of making a lot of sales. And most importantly, the single tool that you need right now that will change the entire game plan for you as a real estate person is a tool called Serlzo. Now, I'm going to tell you how it works. So with Serlzo, you set up a lead generation system for yourself where you collect the lead of your prospective investors, people that are going to buy properties from you, and then in turn you nurture these leads by sending them messages both on their WhatsApp DM, fully customized messages, and then of course sending to their email simultaneously. Now when you send these messages called pre-sale messages, you prep these people and get them ready to then buy the property you're going to sell them. And this is how a lot of realtors who have gone through my exclusive program are making a lot of sales for themselves. But for you to get started, the first thing you need is to go to www.serlzo.com, because it's the only tool right now that I know that you can use to set up a WhatsApp automation system, an email marketing system, and of course a bulk SMS marketing system simultaneously. You can do it all from one place with just few clicks. So go to www.serlzo.com, create your account, activate your account, join the Serlzo community where you get to interact with other business owners who are selling products using Serlzo, and you learn how to scale up your own business using Serlzo for yourself.